Hello, smiley friends. Today we're going to be drawing a cute picture of a cow, so let's get started. So we're going to begin by drawing a nice little oval. There. Not too hard, right? Next we're going to draw two little dots for the snout. Cute little snout. And we're going to draw a cute little smiley face right there. Next, we're going to draw the eyes, just two black oval dots right there. And we're going to go in and go ahead and draw a smiley face, just like that. That's going to be the hair. Then you're going to draw two frowny faces on top and another one. Connect the hair like that. Go ahead and fill that in. So that's going to be the cute little part of the hair of the cow. Now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and make two straight lines on the side of the hair, like so. And go ahead and curve that line down on both sides, just about to the edge of the eyes. Then you're going to go to the bottom of the snout and draw two straight lines. Then we're going to connect those two lines with sideways smiley faces. Next, we're going to draw the cow's horns. So go ahead and make a little curved line right there and another one to match it. Then we're going to continue with a curved line right behind it to make the little horn, and we're going to do the same little ditty on the other side. There. Next we're going to draw the ears. Now the ears are a little bit bigger than the horns, so go ahead and make this sort of curved line down, sort of like a rainbow shape for the ears. Two little rainbow shapes. And go ahead and connect the ears like so. Then we're going to draw two lines for the inside of the ear like so, and one straight line down. There. Next, you're going to draw the hooves. So go ahead and draw two small straight lines and connect them. There, you've drawn one hoof, then one line goes up and another line goes down. Next, we're going to draw the second hoof, so just two straight lines, and you guessed it, you're going to connect them just like that. Then the line is going to go up, easy peasy. And draw one little line right there for the body. Then you're going to continue that line straight and another little hoof right there. Two little lines and connect. And the line goes up to meet the body. Continue this line curving up a little bit and one straight line down, sort of a diagonal, to make the last hoof two straight lines and connect them. Then we're going to draw a straight line for the back of the leg and a sort of straight little line at the side of the head and connect them for the bum bum. There, now the cow is almost done. We just need to draw a smiley face right there for the tail and another smiley face right under it and connect the two. Then you're going to draw the little tail. That's easy. And all that's missing now are the cow's spots. So draw two straightish kind of lines right there and connect them with a smiley face. Then color that in. And we're gonna do one more little spot right there. Color that in as well. There. Isn't our cow looking really nice and cheerful? We're gonna finish up by doing one more little spot on the cheek right here. And of course, we can't forget to fill in the tail. And we're just about done. There we have it. It's so cute and it made me really happy to draw this with you. I hope you enjoyed drawing this little cow with me and that you like and subscribe and stick around for more content.